Today, we'll discuss detoxifying your fatty liver with 5 easy steps. Liver detox isn't just a trend. It's long-standing and offers benefits like weight loss and comfort relief. Supporting your liver, especially if it's fatty liver, is crucial as excess fat can harm it. We'll explore natural methods and foods to detox your liver and understand its vital functions. Liver issues can silently progress, but regular detox can help prevent severe diseases, especially for those with a fatty liver. Let's delve into this important topic. Number 1. Reduce your weight. The logic behind burning fat to diminish fat accumulation in the liver is quite sound. When you shed excess weight, you also concurrently reduce the surplus fat stored in the liver. Notably, experts assert that weight loss stands as one of the most effective strategies to ameliorate the symptoms of fatty liver disease. Shedding those extra pounds not only addresses the symptoms but also hampers the progression of the disease itself. For individuals dealing with obesity, it's recommended that they aim to lose about 3% to 5% of their total body weight. This threshold is pivotal in halting the ongoing buildup of fat within the liver. Additionally, a more substantial reduction of body weight, around 7% to 10%, can yield even more positive outcomes such as alleviating inflammation and curbing scarring in the liver. In case of fibrosis, achieving the necessary weight reduction can also halt its advancement. However, it's crucial to emphasize that this weight loss process should not involve extreme fasting or crash dieting. Rather, it should be approached methodically, proceeding in stages. Developing a well-structured plan with clearly defined goals for each stages ensures that weight loss is achieved in a small, conscious manner. Adopting crash diets or depriving oneself of nutrition can inflict more harm than anticipated. Number 2. Coffee. You might have assumed that I was about to suggest giving up coffee for the sake of your liver's health, but you'd be mistaken. Get ready for a pleasant surprise because it turns out that, within reasonable limits, coffee can actually benefit your liver. Research has revealed that moderate coffee consumption can have positive effects on the liver. Among its key advantages is its capacity to stimulate the liver to produce enzymes that combat inflammation. For those grappling with fatty liver disease, incorporating regular coffee consumption into their routine can contribute to minimizing overall organ damage. Typically, consuming 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily is sufficient to reap these advantages. However, exceeding this amount could potentially result in effects like heightened anxiety and jitteriness. When you do choose to enjoy your coffee, opting for black coffee is the wisest choice. Black coffee lacks the addition of fats or sugars, enhancing its health benefits. Conversely, coffee loaded with sugar and cream can introduce to extra calories and lead to weight gain, which contradicts the positive intentions we have for our health. Number 3. Be active. I understand that my emphasis on regular exercise might seem repetitive, but the reality is that the significance of maintaining an active lifestyle cannot be overstated. Leading a sedentary life is a notable contributor to the development of fatty liver disease. This correlation has been substantiated by research, which indicates that those who lack physical activity are more susceptible to this condition. Furthermore, such a lifestyle also heightens the risk of experiencing related issues like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. For individuals already contending with fatty liver disease, it's crucial to incorporate physical activity as a routine practice. Experts recommend aiming for 2 to 3 hours of moderate to intensity exercise every day, which roughly translates to about 30 minutes of activity per day, 5 days a week. This exercise regimen doesn't necessarily entail engaging in sports or frequenting a gym. Sometimes as simple as taking a brisk walk can suffice. Integrating exercise into your daily routine is also an option. For example, walking the dog, opting for a stroll to the grocery store, or choosing stairs over elevators are small yet effective ways to stay active. The bottom line is a plea to keep moving. Continual movement is a key factor in preserving your health and well-being. Number 4. Take off extra sugars from your diet. If you're a fan of sugary treats and desserts, it's time to consider the impact on your liver and overall health. Research shows that consuming sugars like sucrose and fructose over time can contribute to fatty liver disease. Hidden sugars can be found in unexpected places like salad dressings, yogurt, and even canned foods. Check labels for ingredients ending in O's, indicating added sugars. To cut down on sugar, switch to herbal teas to satisfy cravings and opt for alternatives like Greek yogurt with berries. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is a better option than sugary treats. Be cautious with low-fat foods as they often contain more sugar. Choose whole foods like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains over processed options. Fresh fruits are better than canned ones, and watch out for various forms of added sugars listed on ingredient labels. And lastly, number 5, control your cholesterol levels. Studies indicate that having a fatty liver complicates the body's ability to effectively regulate blood cholesterol levels. This creates a cyclic pattern where elevated cholesterol arises due to the impaired function of fatty liver. Consequently, the high cholesterol levels exacerbate the fatty liver condition, leading to an increase of severe heart disease. To break free from this harmful cycle, it's imperative to take proactive measures. The initial step in this endeavor involves managing blood cholesterol levels. This requires avoiding both saturated and trans fat. Saturated fats are commonly found in red meat and full-fat dairy products. Trans fats, on the other hand, are prevalent in fried foods, baked goods, and crackers. Making substantial dietary adjustments is crucial, but it's not the only solution. Engaging in regular physical activity and working towards a reduced body mass index or BMI are essential components in managing cholesterol levels. If cholesterol levels remain elevated despite these efforts, consulting doctor is recommended. In some cases, the healthcare provider might prescribe medications to help bring cholesterol levels under control and mitigate associated risks. In the context of a fatty liver, managing blood cholesterol levels is essential due to the intricate connection between the two. This bidirectional relationship can intensify health risks, particularly heart disease. Prioritizing a balanced diet, avoiding saturated and trans fat, encouraging regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight are key steps to breaking this detrimental cycle. Should cholesterol levels persistently remain high, medical consultation and potential medication may be necessary to regain control over one's health. In conclusion, these 5 easy steps provide a comprehensive guide to naturally detoxifying your liver. By reducing weight, incorporating moderate coffee consumption, staying active, cutting down on sugars, and managing cholesterol levels, you can significantly improve your health and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. Start implementing these steps today for a healthier tomorrow. How about you? Would you do these steps for your healthy liver? Comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.